They made me work on the Chevy motor today, guys. And you want me to try the cutting? LS apparently stands for a little slow. I don't know. Don't drop them in there. We gotta. Oh, yep. No, I broke your engine. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and I'm actually back at Pony 1992's house today. If you missed the last video when I was over here, we actually got to check out his awesome 16 Ford Mustang GT. But today, I don't know, something might be wrong with him because he actually wants me to work on this motor. I think it's a motor, I don't know. He doesn't know I'm not a mechanic, I guess. Do you ever watch any of my videos? What's everyone? Everyone, I appreciate it. And we're also here with your lovely wife, Miss Nova Castile. And this is actually her Nova, which I can't believe I'm like seeing it in person. Now, I know Jeremy wants me to do this, but it's actually technically yours.
Yes.
Are you comfortable with me actually, you know, working on this beautiful engine here?
Yeah, definitely.
So she doesn't watch my videos either. Thank you guys for watching my videos. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into that. I think he wants me to do something to the oil pan because what the deal is, it will not clear right now. The pan won't clear?
Right. This,
okay.
In order, the other oil pan that we had, it is a swap pan, but it was tall in this area and did not clear the cross member. So we had to go with the holly pan. It is shorter here, but as you can see, because it's shorter, it doesn't.
Oh yeah, it's sitting up.
It doesn't leave room for, or the windage tray actually contacts the pan. So
okay.
Yeah, so there's
no space there.
A little bit of cutting we got to do in the windage tray.
Yep.
To get that to fit correctly.
And
Not a big deal, but you know.
And you want me to try the cutting?
Yeah, we'll get you.
Because you know, I hit like, that's where I hit the hammer in my hand. I don't want to cut my hand off, Jeremy.
I don't mind.
This could be a very interesting video, but stay tuned. So this is actually Candy's 73 Nova, which the motor's going in. And I'm told over here, this is not an LS. This is an LM7, is what Jeremy tells me.
Well, it's the LS family.
It's in the LS family there. Yeah, it's a Chevy motor going in a Chevy car. He never put this in his foxbody, guys, just so you know, in case you're wondering. He did not LS swap his foxbody.
Eventually that one will go in the David.
Oh, what is this, a Ford then?
Yeah, it's 302.
It's 302, all right.
GT40 head, true GT40 head.
Wow.
Kind of a nasty little can.
Okay, not an alphabet can though.
No.
Okay. But yeah, so LS apparently stands for a little slow. I don't know, that's what they tell me. All right, so this is the windage tray that you saw Candy just take off, and what they've actually got to do, yeah, can I show them your instructions here real quick? They've actually got to get, I shouldn't get all the instructions all oily. Here we go, thank you. Yeah, so they've got to cut part of it off. That entire highlighted section is what's got to come off, and Jeremy's just gonna, he's got a pencil, he's gonna scribe it and measure it. Guys, I've never used one of these before, and Jeremy just gave me like 5 seconds of instructions, so we'll see. I'm gonna try it, but if I don't get it, I might turn it back over to him, but we'll see. Hey! All right, Jeremy, you would have done better, but thank you for letting me try a new tool. What do you even call this thing? I don't even know.
It's a side cutting tool.
This is my side cutting tool. Hey guys, when all else fails, just remember you just bend it off at the end. All right, so I used a new tool. I got a little souvenir here. Jeremy actually let me finish the cut, so that was pretty awesome. I hadn't done that before. A little intimidating, but you know, like anything else, it's just a tool, so no big deal. And he's gonna actually finish up the rest because there are some more difficult cuts. He gave me the easy one, so He's about to finish up the rest. We'll catch up here in a second. Candy, the one thing I'll say about Jeremy, between you guys, he seems to make sparks fly. What can I say? I'm a dad. It's a dad joke. Jeremy calls it bad joke. He might be right. He might not. I don't know. All right, so you saw I did a little bit of cutting on it, but Jeremy did the most of it. But neither one of us would have been successful without Miss Nova over there, because she was holding it down. She was the foundation. Like,
the hard job.
Yeah. I know you were shooting sparks at her, like not that, you know.
Yeah.
Well, I already talked to you guys about the sparks between them. I literally saw it today. But anyway, so this goes right here. This is the windage tray, and I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. Let's see. I don't know if oh, yep. No, I broke your engine, but anyway. And now we're gonna put the oil pan on. We're gonna see if that gap is gone. Is it gonna sit flush and flat? We don't know. We're gonna find out. Miss Nova is putting it down for us. Miss Nova Castile. So effortlessly. It's so cool that you're putting this engine together as well, under good, good tutelage. But look at that. There was a gap there before, guys. It's looking pretty tight. Yes. So, got it. What's next? You got to bolt everything down, all right?
We got to pull the pan, and we'll check the pickup tube and make sure it's clear for that tube.
Okay, yeah, we got to clear it for the oil pickup tube as well, guys. They actually put the oil pickup tube on here, and we already test fit it, and the oil pan fits over it perfectly. So I guess that's basically it, right? You're going to actually put this down. The windage tray down actually has to be bolted down for real. We get this hand bolted down.
So next, we got to bolt down the windage tray. We'll put the O-ring on the pickup tube, bolt it down here, and then we can install the oil pan permanently.
Yeah, and then are you ready to go into the car with it at that point? Or you got to do more?
I want to put the oil filter on. We got to put this inside the pan. It's just 4 bolts.
Okay.
That's got to be bolted in the pan.
The good thing is that it actually clears now, because again, guys, with this being all the way down here, it was sticking up, I don't know, half an inch or so at least. So you got to feel good about that.
Oh yeah.
We're just going to time lapse that, but it's looking like everything's coming out great on this one, guys. And even with me touching, like cutting, I don't know how. I guess I'm a part of this engine now, Pony. You're ever going to have my little cuts in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have had a part in this build.
Yep. So now I got to come back and take a ride in it. That's all that.
Definitely.
She's going to move, Jeremy says. She's going to move. All right, oil pan's about to go down, but we gotta let Candy here torque it down, drop bolts down in here, which is okay because we can get them out. Don't drop them in there.
Just testing.
Yeah, just testing. Actually, yeah, so the plate goes down here, and I got this blue Loctite, which is stronger than red, I believe. Is that right?
Stronger than pink, red is stronger than blue.
Oh, okay. Pink is the strongest? No, pink, blue, red. There we go. All right, least the greatest. Here we go. Pony 1992 is putting the RTV, the silicone down in the corners before this gasket goes down. Candy's got the gasket. Sorry, Nova Castile. Still getting used to her new name. Because she also is a YouTuber. Spread that out. Yeah, you did much better on your RTV than I did on when I was still in the rear end. I used way too much. Keep getting in my shot, Jeremy. Oil filter wrench. Pony is finishing it up here. As you guys see, got the pan in. Such a small filter. than what compared to what I'm used to with the foxbody. It's a huge one.
FL1A.
FL1A, that's right. I heard frame apparently is crap, so I don't use that anymore.
Yeah.
Motorcraft, only Motorcraft, guys. Yeah, so they made me work on the Chevy motor today, guys, you know, but that's all right. We can turn wrenches on Chevys too. I know I didn't turn a lot of wrenches today, but I did turn a few. I do love the color on this car, by the way. This blue, it's a much lighter blue. I think Candy was telling me it's actually an Arctic blue. So it's a lot closer to Carolina blue, you know, than like a Duke blue. So that makes me happy. And voila, just like that, these two finished it up. Good job, guys. Awesome hanging out with you today. Thanks for letting me turn a wrench or two. Maybe just one, yeah, cut something. So anyway, pretty awesome motor. I'm pretty excited about this build, and this build is actually taking place fully on kind of both their channels, but it's the primary vehicle for Candy's. And I'll have all of her information down below. And of course, Jeremy as well, one of his mini builds on the channel. But we'll have all his information down below as well. And I'm about to trip on stuff here. Yeah, look at that, there we go. Almost, gear head down, gear head down. But anyway, one thing about Jeremy I want to call out specifically, Pony 1992, he has been grinding on YouTube for a while now, and one of the things you have to do is you have to get to 1,000 subscribers. While I'm filming this, he is actually not there yet, so let's try and go ahead and get him there. If you're not subscribed to Pony 1992 already, look up his channel, give him a sub. I think he makes great content, and we really want to help him reach that goal. And if you do, I will actually be going ahead and revealing what I'm going to do to my motor in the Tar Heel Fox. What kind of motor I'm gonna put in? Am I gonna go Coyote, pushrod, 351? Don't know exactly. I still haven't decided yet, but him getting to 1,000 subs is gonna make me make a decision. So it'll be all your fault, Jeremy, whatever I end up with. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. A big thanks to Candy and Jeremy for letting me hang out today and do a little bit of wrenching. And if you did enjoy the video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. We'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.